Yo, 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 what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video.
You know Roman, right?
Yes.
And Roman, right?
Okay.
Oh!
But he lost money in the bank. But he did win against Jinder Mahal.
¿Cuál equipo vas?
Barcelona.
Yo también. Okay, so I'm going to open packs. Then maybe I can make this guy give me a pack. He's playing
WWE Mayhem, guys.
Yeah, we did. Sorry.
I'm reading this.
So I actually got Cristiano Ronaldo like 3 times.
I've gotten Messi as a striker.
I never got him actually, but I have gotten him 2 times.
In right wing. But I've gotten him in striker.
Oh, I got a blue. Oh,
James Rodriguez 94.
I thought it was Real Madrid.
Yeah, but he moved last year. Last year went to Bayern Munich.
Oh, okay.
You don't know that much about soccer.
I'm just kidding. I already knew that. James. Oops, I spelled him wrong.
James.
We got another blue. 2 blues in a row. And it's Van Gotti.
Thank God.
I'm just kidding. Oh, it's a Jan.
Jam.
Peanut butter Janny.
Or is it jam?
Or is it Granny?
I'm using
Hey, got Eden Hazard.
Eden Hazard. I'm using Jeff Hardy.
Jeff Hardy. He's a Hardy boy.
Yeah.
Just kidding. They're not the Hardy boys actually. Not real.
They are actually brothers.
Really?
Yeah.
How come Jeff Hardy portrayed what's his brother name?
Matt.
What?
Matt Hardy. Like brothers can betray each other, but they're actually brothers.
Yeah, but when he hit him in a chair with the head right there with the chair.
But they're still brothers. Just that at that point they hated each other.
Hey, got Aguero.
But at that point they hated each other.
Imagine if
But
Aguero.
at that point they wanted to know
Imagine
who was
if
better.
they switched. If the number switched. 89, it'll make 98.
98.
Yeah.
What about Messi? Like if you got a 98 Messi and it goes straight to 89.
Bam. Why, yeah. Get over there. 1,
I made 2.
2,
Who's some stuff?
3. I beat my high score. Last time I only made 2. This time I made 3.
I made
Triple. I made a hat trick.
I used to have those and like I had a lot. Like I won so much. Like I liked the 1000 because like you had to choose your square and you like a circle and you had to make it to win the 1000. If you missed, nothing would happen to you. But if you both had to make the one, like both of you might have been in trouble. Ooh, such a flip power bomb. I like this such a flip power bomb.
Oh,
Because it's kind of like flexible, kind of. And it's
1,
really
2. How? Okay, so
skill, bro.
oh yeah, check out this guy's live stream right after my live stream.
I'm gonna make pack opening and WWE Mayhem. Stay tuned.
Yep.
Dun.
Hello, it's Nick Paul.
No, so my friend, so my cousin, baby cousin, he has a toy, and like you can put like the song "Shape of You" on it.
Guys, if you subscribed, I'm gonna give it. This guy is gonna come visit you. I'll give you a hug and a present if you subscribe and leave a like to all my videos.
I have a goal in likes. If we can get, I know your channel's small, so I'm just gonna say 10 likes.
Our goal is 1 like.
2 likes, then.
Bye. 2 likes.
But if it gets to 2 likes, I get to keep money for a whole day.
No, you get to. No, if they get to 3,000 likes, then you get to keep money
Forever.
Yes.
No, like 2 likes, and I keep them for like 1 hour.
Fine.
Okay.
But you have to return them though. Matic!
No, 2 hours.
No, 1 hour. Oh, fine. But if he gets 4, then it's 2 hours. But if you get 1, it's 30 minutes. Oh, we can jump on the bed.
No, my mom said no or else.
No, I'm gonna come lay down on the bed. Hey, dude, come over here.
This is English, right?
No,
Give me you some.
I do have some. I do have some. Guess what this is?
Money.
What kind of money? Getting it. Sound good in the way, huh? Okay, so next pack.
Dude. Oh, someone dropped. Yeah, Jimmy also dropped.
Hey, Carrasco.
Carrasco.
Okay. Can I do a lock of my choice, and then you do a lock of your choice on me?
Nah.
I'm gonna do one Wade's lock. Doesn't really hurt. That one lock thingy, Majiggy. Open packs for me. Guys, this guy's gotta open packs for me. Okay, so I'm gonna do the one leg line thing. Right or left?
Right.
Okay.
Drink water.
That's almost coming.
I like drink water's name. Drink water.
Eso!
I got your team of the season.
Eso!
I got your team of the season. Already.
Oh, that's my boy. That's my boy. That's what I'm looking for. I know.
Ven y Leo, ¿dónde quedó vos?
Boy.
En la casa, Leo.
Deje.
En la casa.
Deje.
Vaya pues, Magali.
Oh, you got me Marco Verratti.
Ow! Ow! You hurt Harrison.
Ya me voy a cambiar.
Give Harrison to Bunny. Give Bunny to Harrison.
He doesn't want to be with us. Hey. Oh, no. He's biting his hand.
Ow! Ow! Me está pateando Magali.
Vaya pues, Magali.
Oh, ew. I'm not being spicy.
Veo
Ow!
de Jerko.
Ow!
Veo de Jerko.
Cover your eyes, Magali. Close your eyes.
Ayúdame.
No, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Cerrar los ojos, Magali, no mires.
Ow!
It's inappropriate for you. Plus, you're young.
Ow!
¿Qué, Roy?
Ouch. Are you gonna tap out or what?
I'm not a tapper.
No te quieren ver los huevos, Magali. Los Jerko.